Now, I agree with you that this is a confusing problem. And what it is you're solving a system of equations by elimination. Rather than having to do all the algebraic work, they tried to just have you tell me what are you going to do. And the way they set it up seems kind of confusing, doesn't it? So what happens here is I'm going to look at what changes from system A to system B. Notice the first equation, that's the same. The second equation changed. The 4y disappeared, didn't it? Well, in order to get rid of the 4y, they have to add a negative 4y. So we have to go back up to the first equation, have to make that a negative 4. So in other words, I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2, because 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. If you add that to 4y, they cancel out. If you take 2 times 7, you get 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, plus negative 23 gives me negative 33. So what do we do here? When you're going to add or subtract, you're going to be using your bottom two steps here. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this equation 1 by 2. We're going to add that to equation 2. We're going to write that in place of equation 2. Now on the next box, we're looking at what changed from B to C. And once again, notice the first equation, that didn't change at all. But the second equation, we divided by 11, didn't we? That's all we did. We're just dividing. We're not adding or subtracting. We're just dividing by 11. Now, because of the way they set this up, they don't have an option for division, do they? So we are going to divide or multiply by 1/11. So if you end up dividing by something, you just multiply by the reciprocal. So if I divide both sides by 11, I get x equals negative 3, and that's how you would do that problem.